All right, we are at 4600 Mirabella Court. Mirabella spent several hours here today. So we've got the pipe jetted out, and what's happened is the pipe is broken. So you can see two pieces of pipe right there, and then the pipe is completely compacted. It's been collapsed, or utilities have hit it. Something has happened to cause the pipe that leads away from the bathrooms to collapse. So we found a second clean out in the courtyard. We're 130 feet from there. The issue that needs to be dug up is between 4620, unit 4620 and 4618, just off of the sidewalk. We've got the area spray painted. It's underneath some shrubs, and we put a little dot on the sidewalk. So if you have any questions on where you need to dig, I've taken pictures of that, and I can email that or text it or what have you. So I do have water flowing past here now. That's how I'm able to get you such a clear picture. We were able to get the water flowing, but I'm going to have to leave the bathrooms and everything locked, until you guys can get this excavated and dug up. Again, this is Mirabella pipe collapse issue between 4620 and 4618. If you have any questions or if I can help, give me a call, shoot me an email, whatever I can do to help. This is John with iFind Leaks. I'm going to conclude the video. Thanks.